Within this field of consumer health, we've seen these really interesting activity trackers. And at our company, we think that they're really powerful. But what we consume, our food, our beverages, that's as important, if not more important, than burning calories through exercise. To solve this problem, we're introducing our first product, the Vessyl. Hi, I'm Justin, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Mark One. The Vessyl automatically knows what's inside and can track in real time the contents of the beverage, whether that's calories, sugar, protein, fat, and more. Because the Vessyl knows what's inside, it tracks your real-time hydration needs, which we call Prime Hydration.
Most people think that hydration is just about drinking 8 glasses of water a day. Truth is, it's a lot more complex than that. Prime allows us to understand how well we're hydrating throughout the day.
We collaborated closely with Fuse Project, and in working together, we wanted to create something that was beautiful, functional, durable, but also something that could live comfortably on tabletop. The lid was almost a whole other product in itself. Of course, we needed it to be spill-proof. We made that happen. And what we ultimately created was something that was easy and delightful. There are subtle facets on one side of the Vessyl that are designed to catch the light and inform you where the display is. To activate the display, just pick up and tilt.
As you use the Vessyl, it's going to learn more about you and your consumption habits and patterns. But the main goal is to actually help you make healthier and more informed decisions in real time. Little by little, these decisions translate to big changes over time. So much so, it can transform your life.
The Vessyl has been 7 years in the making, and the team here at Mark One has been working so hard to create a product that can really make an impact on your life. And this is just the beginning.